Hiya, Alex Vann here of Alex Vann Design, Illustration and Print. In my brochure I have mentioned that I love to problem solve, and as a bit of fun I've included this little video of me solving the Rubik's Cube. So as you can see, it is totally messed up. This isn't a trick, and I will attempt to solve it. If it gets a bit boring, I might speed the film up a bit and add a bit of music, but let's go. So, I don't know if I should do a commentary as I do this. I'm just looking at the orange pieces at the moment. Choose a face.
See the girl in the supermarket. See the world and I wanna be part of it. She don't even know my name at all. She don't even know my name. Smile, don't be crazy. Smile, don't be cool. Smile, don't be crazy. Watch her move to a different camera. From my room, I can almost touch her. She don't even know I'm here at all. She don't even know I'm here. Smile, don't be crazy.
There you go. Oh, there's two that just need to swap over. Let's sort those two out, shall we? Pesky last two. I thought I'd done it. I have now. So, as you can see, true to my word, I love a good problem solve. Get in touch for all your graphic design needs.